Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are into design, development, or just creating digital products, then you need to know what just went down at Figma Config 2025. In today's video, I am going to break down 5 major announcements from Config 2025 that are about to revolutionize your workflow. So let's dive in. First up, what I think might be the biggest game changer, that is Figma Make. Imagine typing a description of what you want to build and watching as Figma generates a fully interactive prototype right before your eyes. That's Figma Make. It's powered by Anthropic Claude 3.7. Figma Make has created components, it establishes relations between screens, and even added interactive elements, all without writing a single line of code. What used to take days of back and forth between design and development can now happen in minutes. And for those who want to customize further, you can still dive into the components and tweak everything to your liking. Next up is Figma Sites. Figma Sites lets you design and deploy responsive websites directly from your Figma files. No more exporting designs to another platform or working with developers to implement your vision. You can now do it all in Figma. The one-click publishing feature is a game changer. You design your site, click publish, and it's live in the Figma hosted URL. You can even connect your own domain if you want to take it to the next level. Now, for all the illustrators out there, Figma Draw is about to become your new best friend. Figma has finally stepped up its vector editing game with expressive brush, texture, and real-time stroke effects. This means you can create detailed illustrations, icons, visual elements without ever leaving the Figma environment. The days of jumping between Illustrator and Figma are officially over. This is a huge time saver for teams who want to keep their entire asset library in one place. Let's talk about Figma Buzz. So, Figma isn't just for designing anymore. They are coming for marketing teams too. This AI-assisted content generation tool helps marketing teams create emails, ads, social media posts efficiently, all while maintaining brand consistency. So, how it works? You start with your brand approved templates, then use AI prompts to generate variations or entirely new content. The AI understands your brand guidelines, so everything stays on message and visually consistent. What's impressive is how this bridges the gap between design and marketing teams. Designers can create templates and brand assets, and marketers can then quickly generate content without compromising quality or brand identity. This really shows Figma's vision of becoming the central hub for all creative work, or just not just traditional design. Last but definitely not least is Grid 2.0, which might sound less like other announcements, but trust me, this is huge for everyday design workflow. The new grid design system gives you full control over rows and columns with fixed or auto dimensions, responsive resizing, and precise alignment. It's basically CSS grid right inside Figma. So look how easy it is to create complex components, layouts without deeply nested auto layouts. You can drag and drop elements, resize cells, and everything responds exactly as you would expect. For those of us fighting with auto layout for complex designs, this is a massive quality life improvement. And for developers, the alignment with CSS grid means what you design is exactly what you build. Now, these 5 announcements from Figma Config 2025 aren't just new features. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about digital creation. Figma is clearly positioning itself as the complete creative operating system, a single platform that unifies design, development, and marketing workflows. They are breaking down the traditional silos between these disciplines and creating a seamless experience that benefits everyone involved in building digital products. What excites me most is how this tool demonstrates creation. You don't need to be an expert coder to build interactive prototypes. You don't need to be a professional illustrator to create beautiful graphics. Figma is making creation more accessible to everyone. If you are excited about these announcements, as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.